Make sure you get the new logo down there. That's right, Roll Tide 530. Well, let's see what kind of toys we got for this motorcycle. Zero 3D premium smartphone holder with charger. That's what we installed on today. That, and I got me a new cup holder for Christmas. Be able to put that on there. Hold my drinks, hold my drinks. This program brought to you by Bugslide in partnership with Roll Tide 530. All right, let's install this bitch. All right, instructions are for idiots. So let's just bust this bad boy open and get started. So instructions we won't be needing. It's the ball mount that actually fits right here. The phone holder. A lot of cordage. And don't know what these are yet, but for plugging in your phone. We're gonna run that bad boy too, because it's gonna be all hooked up. So when you get the box open for your Zero 3D smartphone holder, premium smartphone holder, what you're gonna get if you order the handlebar mounting version, which is what I have, here's what you're gonna get in the box. Got 2 sets of longer basically screws there so that you have room for this mounting piece. This is the mounting piece. You'll have to excuse my extremely dirty garage. And then you have another set here. I assume it's just in case, well, I don't know why there's 4. I guess we'll find out as we go along. And then you have these 2 bad boys here that are just like little extender sleeves maybe or something, I don't know. I might actually have to look at the instructions to figure this stuff out. And then you got your cord here so that you can run back to your battery and have power for your charging station, which is right here, obviously. And again, your mounting bar. So that's everything that came in the kit that I received. Again, my kit specifically was this handlebar mounted kit, because I think you can get one that just has like a clamp kit that can go on the handlebars or the wherever you want to mount it, but it's just a clamp that goes around the handlebars. I prefer the whole idea of having it up here, and so I'm going to get my T27 Torx and take that bad boy off. Good old Titan Torx set. I got it Northern Tool. Badass, I'll tell you. These things are high quality. I don't think they were high dollar though. I don't think they were really high dollar, but they are high quality. And so we're going to take and loosen these bad boys. And that's on there pretty good, but no match for me. No match for my strength. My strength. Be careful when you take this off. Probably should put a towel over your gas tank and shit like that, just in case. I'm not that careful. Okay. So there you go. That's off. So I'll run one of these bad boys through here. I'm sorry. I'm gonna run one through here. This through here, and this through here, it appears. Let's try her out before we start knocking her. Okay, that's not even starting. Ah, well, of course it isn't, because these aren't Torx. But what I'm putting back on clearly is not. Thanks, Zero. Thanks for making that super easy. Having to have 2 different tools for that, but what else? What do I do with the other one? Okay, mystery solved. So apparently these come in 2 different thread patterns. That's why there's 4 of them. This wider thread pattern is what I need for my Road King. Okay, we don't want to get that tight until we get the other one on, or we won't be able to get this through there. Just tighten them each down until I feel them catch. Then we'll hand tighten them. There we go. So we get it hand tightened. Then I guess I'm going to have to find a socket. So I tighten these bad boys. So now I'm going to tighten them. I want to over tighten them, and I actually am going to have to look at the instructions because I got to see if this has got to have a specific torque setting. I don't want to pop my shit off of there and break it. It doesn't say anything about how tightly you can torque them. Yeah, I really did need the instructions for that, I guess. I knew I was smarter than those instructions. I don't think it should need too much crazy tightening. So there we go. I talked my way through it, bullshitted around. Still got that thing on there in like 5 minutes flat. This is going to be so much nicer, guys, than that crap I had on there. What did I do with that crap I had on there? Hold on a minute. Let me find that thing I had on there. Here it is. Here it is. It's just got like some cheap spring tension, and then you got to flip these stupid rubber bands over it. It's a huge pain in the butt. I've always hated those. However, that's what I've always had on my motorcycle. Not anymore, bitches. Pop that bad boy on there. And then tighten to your heart's content. There you go. No, we're gonna have to go way wider than that. So let's widen her up a little bit. There we go. Boom. Oh wow. That is way up there. That is way up there. Suppose I can loosen this and bring it down a little bit, but then that's gonna kinda put it in the way of my thing. Huh. Wonder if I need to flip that upside down and mount it down here. I mean, that is way up there. Holy shit, I don't know if I like that at all. Good thing I didn't over tighten those some bitches, because it's coming off. Alright, so what I'm talking about here, this bad boy is way, way up. And some people may really like it that way. I am going to tell you right now, I'm not going to like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece off, I'm going to flip it upside down and put the ball down here. Alright, so I went with the lower mount. So you can see here, I just flip-flopped it so that it's down now. And then I moved this mount completely to the top because there's a little bit of play in here that you could adjust with a little slider, you know. And so now it will clear, just barely will graze my gas tank if I go all the way to the left. That's at maximum. It will just basically hit here on the bottom and slide right up on the top. I guess I can live with that for now, till maybe I figure something else out. The mount itself is beautiful. Beautiful and easy. You tighten her down, obviously, when you just let her up. Phone comes right out. You get ready to stick her back in there. You just stick her down. It stops because it's got these stoppers at the bottom. And then you just flip your thing up and it pinches your phone there. It looks like it would interfere with my cruise control and stuff, but it doesn't. There's plenty of room between them. So, I mean, looking at it, it looks like it would, but it doesn't. And overall, it's a pretty sweet deal. It's a pretty sweet looking piece of machinery there. It's a hell of a lot more easy than what I had. And I have decided to not actually plug the charger in yet, because here is my USB that I normally would use for charging my phone, and it's either going to have a plug coming out the bottom and running down my handlebars and back to the battery, or it's going to have a plug coming out here and going to here. And to me, it seems like it's just easier for now to just plug the phone cord in. You know, I'll plug the phone cord in, run it up here around a few times, and then I can just unplug it when I pull my phone out, plug it when I... So I'm going to go that route. Either way, there's going to be a cord coming out of that going somewhere. I don't see any need to run it to my battery when I got a phone cord and a USB right there. So that's how I'll do it. But the mount itself is beautiful. It's very high quality. So far, so good. I'm very happy with what it is. I always thought I was going to mount it right here next to my controls. And so therefore, that's the way I actually got this as a Christmas gift, but that's what I asked for. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, I'll get the windshield thrown back on there, and we're ready to ride, baby. We're ready to ride. So, until next time, people, ride safe, keep the rubber side down, and roll tide, roll, baby.